In this video, I'm featuring this red light hair growth cap that was sent over to me to check out and make this video. I'm going to give you guys a close-up look at this cap, go over some of the features so that you can decide if this is right for you or not. Let's jump right into it. So let's start off with the packaging and the contents. First of all, this is very nicely packaged, so it will make for a nice gift if you want to give this here away as a gift. But you're going to get your cap, you're going to get instruction manual, and then you get a couple of different connectivity options. So you got a wall connector here that you can use with the remote control. You can also use a power bank or like a computer USB with the remote control. So a couple different ways you can wear this here depending on your particular situation. So guys, the hat itself, pretty stylish, right? It's a baseball cap. It is adjustable to different head sizes, and you've got your power inlet right there. So underneath you got all of your lights for your red light, and you know, it's super easy to use. So it has 5 different modes and a selectable timer there. So I've got it powered up by a power bank here, and I'm just going to plug in to the hat. Once you plug in, the control is very easy to use. You basically have an on button, press and hold, it turns it on, and then you've got 5 different modes. So right now we're in mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, mode 4, and mode 5. And then you've got a timer here, goes from 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30-minute timer on there. So basically, you know, you just wear this thing like a regular baseball cap, and you're going to get your red light treatment to your scalp and hair. So, you know, you can wear this here with the power bank. You can walk around the house, you can walk around the office, you can drive in the car, or if you're using the wall outlet, you know, you can sit at your computer or sit down on the couch and watch TV and get your red light treatment in. So if you guys are looking for a really nice red light cap, or if you're looking for a gift for somebody who could use one, I highly recommend this here. I hope this helps.